What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Ender King Gaming video. Today I'm gonna show you guys around this new endaria village, cause I got some unfortunate news. This Minecraft I'm playing right now, finally got a new account, but I got the account on this new phone. My new the other phone. Let's just say, or in the tablet. It's no longer with us, so sadly, it's no longer with us. But actually, at least I got a phone. That's something. But anyways, I'll be showing us this Endaria village. So I'm redoing Endaria, rebuilding, and now it's raining. Okay, that should be good. So I hope you actually liked that one video where there was this guy just taking over my channel, and then all of a sudden just came back, and then just beat the guy, beat him up. Yeah, and shit. Oh wait, never mind. Okay, so anyway, let's go and see this village so far. So first things first is to show around the houses. So let's go over here. I made this tree, by the way. It didn't spawn naturally. First, we'll show these houses. All right. So this is the first house. Yeah, and let me show you the second house. This is the other house. And they got, and this house has a next door neighbor. We'll have a neighbor, which will be this one. Let's go over here. And then we got this one. Just imagine somebody could just fall into maybe. Just to say they're just peacefully cooking, and all of a sudden somebody falls over them. that would be kind of funny. Not gonna lie. And oh yeah, now let me show you the tree house of these Enderlands. Yeah, the Enderlands is a made-up creature I made up. So wait, let's get down here if I can show you what an Enderland looks like. I don't know if I said this before already, but this is an Enderland. I'm an Enderland. We could say Enderlands are like Endermans, except a little bit shorter, but at the same but also taller than humans. Taller than humans, shorter than Endermen. And they all got and they're like gosh. Alright, anyways. So yeah. This is an Enderland. I'm an Enderland, and these houses are Enderlands. Are Enderland houses, like, you know, houses for Enderlands. I think I've been saying Enderland a lot. Sorry. So yeah, anyways, let's go back to the build I was in. So yeah, I was building something here. I was building my home now, was gonna be made of end block, any end blocks there is. So I'm just gonna keep building here. Actually, no, I'm kind of feeling too lazy right now. Oh, wanna see how I do make my banner for Endaria? Well, let's go. Let me show what I do for it. So let's go grab this loom. magenta banner. We grab one of dye. Okay, we need brown. Oh, white. Oh, cyan and light blue. All right, let's put this here. Put that there. First thing first is this. So that's how you do it. If you have some brown dye, you put that dye in, you choose the X pattern. I don't know what to call it actually. And then what you do, you choose this one, the same color, brown. Then take the white, and then you do this. Same thing, but use this one that has at the bottom. Then what you want going to do is, alright, if you have it, you're going to want to go to your inventory. If you have this thing, then what you're going to try to look for is a flower charge. Alright, then you put this here, and then this here. First, before this, I'm going to want to make this shape. Okay, I can find it. I found it. You're going to want to do this, but with a different color. I think that's all the color that's all of I can use. Yep, that's all of it. That's the only thing. And this how you get my kingdom's banner. Endaria. If you want to see the flag version, I was working on a different way to build my village, but it's kind of like gave up. I felt really too overwhelming. Here it is. This is the project I felt so lazy to finish. I don't know why I did that. Oh my god, why? Fuck you. Ew. Alright. So yeah. Oh, here's a flag version, by the way, of my banner. So yeah. You know, I'm gonna end it here. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe. And for you don't miss out any other Ender King Gaming videos. And maybe for my next video I'll record myself finishing this build right here that you see here. I'll try to finish this if I don't feel too lazy. Cause laziness is something that can get over me. Oh my god. I was thinking about oh, by the way, I was thinking to, since I found this, I was thinking to patch it up, but then I said, nah, let's leave it. And then, so now I'm gonna use this as my mines of my Ardone from Endaria. The Endaria mines. So, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and turn on all bell notifications. Alright? And, well, have a great day. Goodbye.